Subhadra Ramamurthy is the founder and proprietress of Sindhu Garments, renowned infant shoe and clothing manufacturer who has served the local and international markets for the past 3 decades. Currently selling their products to over 3,000 retail outlets island-wide, Subhadra claims her success in business is due to the core values of promoting wellness, hygiene, and long-standing health.
හරි තව එකක් අඳින්න එකෙන් බලන්න මේ පෑන් මාක් ගොඩක් පේනවා ඒ වගේ පෑන් මාක් තද කරලා අඳින්න එපා හරි
Health, honesty and reliability, genuine concern about the welfare of its young customers, and equality in terms of gender and economic class. The idea was triggered in 1987 as a result of unavailability of such products in the local market and resulted in a monopoly. 99% of production is based on handwork due to many designs. The designs are predominantly hand-picked to suit different occasions and are suitable for any weather condition. The demand is high even in warm countries due to humidity, and the material used is 100% cotton, therefore it suits our climate. The business encountered many challenges within the country's unstable political situation, but survived for 3 decades. Subhadra's business success is demonstrated in many awards received over the years, such as Gold Award at the National Business Excellence Awards in 2007 and a Silver Award at the Women in Entrepreneur of the Year Awards by the Women's Chamber of Industry and Commerce in 2015. She does not focus solely on profit, but instead desires to give back to her community of women in Sri Lanka through seminars, workshops, and mentoring programs.